This is a wonderful event. We have Jeff Jackson, the Attorney General of North Carolina, joining us today. It's one thing to be in a classroom and to be learning about everything, and it's another thing to be shaking someone's hand and asking them questions that directly impact you, directly impact me. That one-on-one time is incredibly important and really unique to Sanford.
Coming to events like this is very important for students like me. It definitely allows us to better understand perspectives from leaders and also allows us to really take in what they have to say and apply that to our current degrees that we're working towards.
I lead an institution in a moment in which faith in institutions has never been lower. And I consider myself extremely fortunate to lead an institution in this moment because every day I see public servants dedicating their professional lives to the defense of your family, to the defense of the rule of law. They are winning.
Having speakers come to campus or having really engaging classes is what makes Sanford amazing. It's really cool that we're just in such a hub for public policy here with a community of people that all, no matter what they're interested in, whether it's tech or the environment or democracy, everybody here at Sanford wants to change the world for the better. And so it's just amazing to be able to be in one room all together and share our ideas.